For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is justifiably Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and intriguing blockchains out there. Other than being a staggeringly creative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for speculation. Dissimilar to little altcoins, it has to a lesser degree an opportunity to fail spectacularly, however it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers cosmic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to conjecture how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. If it's not too much trouble, recall that because of the unusual and unstable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value expectations ought to be thought about while considering other factors. This video doesn't comprise venture guidance. What is Ethereum? The most ideal way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to dive deeper into the resource you're working with. While digital money costs in contrast to those of customary resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend much less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability unexpectedly turns out to be particularly popular. As a renowned and famous digital money, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. A great many people have caught wind of its association with shrewd agreements, NFTs, and DeFi. Nonetheless, that is not entirely there as to that coin, since Ether brings significantly more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is popular for being a decentralized and open-source evidence of work blockchain with brilliant agreements usefulness. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stock. Perhaps of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to beat soon is its consistently rising exchange expenses, or, as they're required this specific organization, gas charges. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas charges become, making the coin's developing fame a blade that cuts both ways. Increasingly more cryptographic forms of money with comparable functionalities yet less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, as Solana, Sol, keep on arising. In any case, the execution and send-off of the merge will probably turn what is happening near and tackle at any rate a portion of these issues. Toward the day's end, what separates ETH from different coins is the range of this digital currency's capabilities. Ethereum has a lot of cool elements and plans for the future. For this reason, this digital currency is as well known among crypto financial backers for what it's worth. ETH isn't simply a speculative resource, it has genuine worth. Ethereum Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $2,405.07. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,898.64. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,503.94. August 2022. Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ETH cost will be exchanged at $2,224.93 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,432.09. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $2,145.83 in August 2022. ETH price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Ethereum costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $2,291.68. The most minimal and top ETH rates may be $2,212.58 and $2,543.34. October 2022. Ethereum price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ETH cost will be around $2,383.34. In October 2022, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $2,304.25. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,657.92 in October 2022. ETH price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Ethereum costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,777.09 in November 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to $2,351.91. For November 2022, the gauge normal of Ethereum is almost $2,431.01. December 2022. Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2,503.94. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the ETH cost could change somewhere in the range of $2,405.07 and $2,898.64. Ethereum price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $3,645.51. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $4,228.43. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3,745.67 in 2023. Ethereum price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $5,239.91 and $6,345.88, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $5,389.74. Ethereum price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Ethereum and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ETH cost could drop to $7,336.82. While its greatest can reach $8,984.84. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $7,606.30. Ethereum price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum by crypto specialists,